Hey everybody, Rob Hoback with Chubby's World Class Snacks. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. I already went for my damn walk, and today we're making world class snacks. We've already got some Mayday mix over there, but right now we're getting ready to make for the first time the Crazy Eddie, and the Crazy Eddie is a bourbon toffee chocolate chunk cookie. I want to give a shout out to Olives in Thyme. I found this recipe online and have customized it for the Crazy Eddie. So, again, bourbon toffee chocolate chunk cookies. I took their recipe and I doubled the salt and I put some extra bourbon in. So, and here's what we used. 4 Roses bourbon. Brent Elliott is the master distiller. We got this for our wedding a little over a year ago. It's been sitting around. We're not bourbon drinkers, but Crazy Eddie has been a very good friend of mine for 20 plus years. Whenever there's a major event in my life, Crazy Eddie's there. I appreciate you, bro. So in the recipe, they said to let the dough set. And they said to let it set for at least a day, preferably 2. The longer, the better. This has been in the fridge for 1 week. 1 week today. And I'm telling you, you open it up and there is a very strong bourbon smell. So there it is. We are going to, we're going to make some cookies here. So we'll put it out. I'll turn the video back on. Blech. We'll edit this shit out of here. We'll talk to you later. Hey y'all, I'm back. We have portioned out the cookie dough. I made this part with no salt. The recipe calls for some flake salt on the cookies before you bake them. So got about a little less than half of them with salt, less than half without. 375, we're gonna put it in there for about 8 minutes because we've got a convection oven and it cooks a lot faster. You wanna see it? There's 2 of them, top and bottom. Anyway, we're gonna put them in there and we'll be back when we take them out and then we'll do a taste test. All right, moment of truth here. We have the Crazy Eddie, which is our bourbon toffee chocolate chunk cookie. Made them. I got one here with the flake salt on the top, cooked to a perfect golden brown, and I'm gonna try it. You ready for this, Queen? That's really good. That's real good. Holy cow. It's really moist and chewy. A little salty. A little crunchy. I mean, that's delicious. I can taste the flavor of the bourbon, but it's not overpowering. Yeah. A little extra, just like Crazy Eddie. Hope you enjoy it, Bob.